大家好，我是 Javed，欢迎快来我的频道。In today's class, we are going to learn how to introduce our family members. Are you ready? Let's dive right in. So, family in Chinese we say 家庭,家庭. Repeat after me. 家庭, 家庭, family. So if we want to say this is my father, how to say that? Remember, for this we use 这, 这, 这. Then for is 是, 是, 这是. This is my. We learned in previous classes 我的, 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 我的. 这是我的. This is my. 爸爸, 爸爸, 爸爸. 这是我的爸爸. 这是我的爸爸. This is my father. Mama, mama. Repeat after me. Mama means mother. 她是我的妈妈. 她是我的妈妈. She is my mother. 哥哥, 哥哥, 哥哥 means older brother. 哥哥. 他是我的哥哥. 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 He is my older brother. Remember I told you 他 is in spoken it's similar for he, she, it, but in writing it's a little bit different. Okay? And for younger brother we use a word 弟弟, 弟弟. Repeat after me. 弟弟 means younger brother. So 这是我的弟弟. 这是我的弟弟. This is my younger brother. Next one is older sister. 姐姐, 姐姐, 姐姐. Repeat after me. 姐姐. 她是我的姐姐. She is my older sister. 妹妹 means younger sister. 她是我的妹妹. 她是我的妹妹. She is my younger sister. For brother, we use a word 兄弟, 兄弟, 兄弟. For a sister, we use a word 姐妹, 姐妹, 姐妹. For grandfather, father's father, we use a word in Chinese 爷爷, 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 爷爷 means grandfather, father's father. 他是我的爷爷. He is my grandfather. And for grandmother, father's mother, 奶奶, 奶奶. Repeat after me. 奶奶. 她是我的奶奶. She is my grandmother. And family members, we just say 家人, 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 family members. That's all about today's video. Hope you like this video. See you next time. Bye bye.